I can't live without my morning smoothies, and my personal smoothie maker just broke. So after a bunch of research, I decided to get myself the NutriBullet Ultra. And there are plenty of reasons why I went with this one, so let's unbox it and I'll go through all the details. Now, NutriBullets are already well-loved blenders, but this is the Ultra. This is the next generation, and I am so excited to give this a try. They focus on quality. This 5-year warranty is a big deal to me, as this is the part that broke on my other blender, and I love the power this promises. It should have no problem with the smoothies I make, and I can go about doing other morning tasks while it's blending. Let's unbox it. Now, it is very intuitive, but it does have a user guide if you run into any questions. And it has a full recipe guide, which is really well done and shows that this is not just for smoothies, but also for making dips like hummus and tahini dressing and garlic spread. You really can use this blender for a lot of recipes. And it has a lot of components. One of the main things I want out of a personal blender is that I can drink right out of the cup that I blended in to reduce morning mess. And these are the blender cups. This one has a great handle, and you can see that maximum line right there. That's the only thing you really need to pay attention to with these, is to not go past the max line, or just barely. And you get 3 different cups. You have the handled 24-ounce cup, the regular 24-ounce cup, and then the 32-ounce cup, which I will probably use just for recipes. This will be my go-to. And it also comes with 2 lids, and this is a key piece to me. This is the main blender. You can see how strong those blades are, and I love all the different ones here, as it will really chop up food cleanly and do a really nice puree. And this is the part that broke on my last personal blender, and what I love about this is it looks much stronger and sturdy, and NutriBullet comes with that incredible warranty. So I'm not worried about this piece. And finally, the NutriBullet itself. This thing is solid. It definitely has a lot of heft. I know that's because of its super strong engine. You can see here the ventilation on the backside, and this is the part that spins and will hook in with these little rubber grooves to give you that fantastic blend. And it has these great rubber feet on the bottom. These help it stay in place so I can walk away and it won't tip over. And I haven't had my morning smoothie yet, so I am so excited to use this. Let's put it to the test. Definitely wash everything first. I always start with a banana, and then some frozen strawberries, milk of choice, and the protein powder I love. And then I just twist on the top, put it on, and then you want to twist it so it locks into place. And you'll hear when it locks, and this one will just blend. These buttons are super sensitive. I didn't even mean to start it blending, but I just went close to that button and it started going, and it blended that in no time. It was nearly instant. I couldn't even tell that it was cutting through the strawberries. It just went super fast. Now you have 2 buttons here. You have the blend that will let you just walk away, or you have pulse blend, which means you have to hold your finger down on it for it to blend. And this one's great if you're just trying to get that last little bit and you just want to be there watching it. But I love that I can turn this on and walk away. But past that, I have my smoothie. Now I just twist it back off, and you will hear a little snap when it comes off. Take off the top, and it's perfectly blended. It made my smoothie better. My prior blender I thought was doing a great job, but it clearly wasn't blending the strawberry through completely. This is incredible and shows me that having a stronger, better blender actually makes a better smoothie. Now, I don't normally use caps as I drink these in the morning at home, but if you were to go somewhere, the cap does fit on really well, and I'm a little scared, but I will give it a quick test. It doesn't leak. Opens nicely. Gets a little bit on my upper lip, but otherwise is really nice. I am incredibly impressed, and I definitely recommend the NutriBullet Ultra.